How's it going, happy campers? My name is Sage with Pete's RV TV. Today we're going to be going over the 2019 Jayco Octane 222. This is a toy hauler that Jayco makes, and I think you'll be super satisfied with the interior. Starting off at the front here, you'll see that we have a power tongue jack here for you. With a click of a button, you can easily level and attach and detach your camper. Right next to that button, we have a button for our light as well, so come nighttime, you can also see what you're doing. Right behind that, we have an LP tank cover for 2 of our 20-pound LP tanks. And directly behind that, we have a nicely sized rack for extra storage and batteries for you as well. On the front cap, you'll see that we have a rock guard here for you. So this rock guard is going to protect your front cap from any of those chips and sticks and rocks coming up from your tow vehicle. Let's head on to this side here. We have a nicely sized awning going about the whole width of the camper. Underneath that awning, you'll find 2 of our outdoor speakers. So rain or shine, you can entertain your guests. Right over this way, we have our Goodyear tires. These are filled with nitrogen and they are on aluminum wheels. So that is going to help your speed rating. You're not going to have a blowout on the side of the highway. And along with that, Jayco and Airstream are the only 2 that use Goodyear tires, which are the best tires in the industry. So we are going to give you that quality as well. Let's take a look at the ramp door here. Our ramp door is rated for 2,500 pounds. So you can bring up all of your dirt bikes and all of your motorcycles and all that other fun stuff. And we have our locks and chains here for you as well, so you can tie those down nice and easily as well. And now that we've gone around the outside, let's head on inside and see what else this unit has to offer. Now that we're on the inside of the Octane 222, we are in the cargo area right now. As you'll see above me, there is a power sofa along with a power bed. When all of our cargo is out, we can easily lower our sofa to sit on and have dinner and whatever else you want. We can also, come nighttime, lower our bed area, and we can have a comfortable, nice teddy bear fabric mattress to sleep on as well. Right next to that is just another small seating area, and above that we have some extra storage. Right next to the entrance we have a nice storage area to put all of your extra shoes and sweatshirts and whatever else you need to bring, all your jackets and all that good stuff. Along with that, right above here, we have our Furrion stereo system to control your indoor and outdoor speakers. Right along this way, we have our bathroom. In our bathroom, you'll see that we have a nicely sized shower with a skylight above that, letting in all that natural light. You got your throne, a little towel rack, and a nice sink there for you as well. Right next to the bathroom, we have our bedroom area. We have a nice teddy bear fabric mattress here. This is almost queen size, so you can fit 2 people comfortably here. We have some storage above that. And right next to that, we also have our kitchen area. So we have our fridge and freezer here for all your beers and popsicles. You can fit as much as you'd like in there. You can put all your produce and all that fun stuff as well. And right this way, we have a 2-burner stovetop and a convectional oven here, doubling as our microwave too. So we do have our favorite popcorn button on there. Right this way, we have our 50-50 split stainless steel sink as well, so you can easily wash up all your dishes nice and conveniently there too. We have storage above and below our kitchen area. If you would like to see this unit or any others like it, please give us a call. Follow us online at petesrv.com. Otherwise, I hope to see you on the lot. Thank you.